In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Phantom Wallet. Now, there's actually multiple different approaches we could use. Number one, we can go ahead and use a credit or debit card or something like Apple Pay to go ahead and purchase cryptocurrencies. So, in order to do this, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on the asset that you would like to purchase. So let's say for this video, we wanted to go ahead and buy some Solana. We would go ahead and select on Solana, and then it is going to give us a menu that looks like this. Then we need to go ahead and press on this button over here that says more. Then you will notice that we'll get an option that says cash buy, and this will basically allow us to use a debit or credit card to actually purchase stuff right on Phantom Wallet. So we can go ahead and press on that, and from here, go ahead and select on how much Solana you want to purchase. So it could literally be any amount. I believe the minimum is $5. Anyways, guys, once you're done with that, you will now need to go ahead and select on your payment method. So again, you could use something like a credit or debit card. However, Phantom Wallet will give you a bunch of other options as well. So you guys could also use Coinbase Pay, Robinhood, and Stripe, and basically through those platforms you're able to connect your credit or debit card, which will then allow you to deposit money into Phantom Wallet. So let's say, for example, let's just use Stripe for example, then go ahead and press on buy. Then it is going to bring us to a page that looks like this, that is basically going to link the two together. So over here, it is going to say how much money I'm paying with and how much Solana I'm going to get. It's also going to tell you your fees, the Solana network fee, and the transaction fee, which you could all view from here. But basically, whenever you are done, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on continue, and then that will deposit money into Phantom Wallet. You may need to wait a couple minutes for the money to actually land in your account, but that is definitely one way you could do it. What you could also do is you can go ahead and deposit a cryptocurrency from another exchange that you have. So let's say, for example, we do have Solana on another exchange like Binance or Coinbase or something like that, or Bybit. Then what we can do is we can go ahead and select on the asset. Then we can go ahead and select on this button over here that does say receive, and then it is going to give us our wallet address. So let's just say we wanted to receive crypto from an external exchange. So we need to go ahead and just select on copy right over here, and then we need to go ahead and open up our external exchange. So for this video, I'm going to be using Coinbase, but obviously you could use any other ones. Bybit will also work as well. So basically what you would need to do is you need to go ahead and select on this button that does say transfer. Then you need to go ahead and select on send crypto. Then you need to go ahead and paste in the address right over here. There you go. And then the address should appear like so. And then there you go. If you do have the asset on the exchange, then it will appear right over here. And basically you can go ahead and send the asset to the actual wallet. Thankfully, Phantom Wallet is very versatile. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.